Animation SOLIDWORks assembly. The primary method of determining the motion is a timely change of position element, the appearance and other properties. For that, in document assembly must be created parts and group mates. Animation can be determined by adding points with Motion Manager timeline for selected item, as well as change in the property a key point. For example, show motor rotary, select part for rotary, set direction, look at arrow, and set the motion parameters, constant speed and speed. And another motor is linear. Select motor location, direction and motion. Okay, and let's play. Key point. Show properties on timeline.